Hi, Rana here from Technical SU Team for Lemon. Today we will learn and explore the Google Gemini AI. So you can find this easily on the internet using Gemini, deepmind.google.com. So here you can explore its capabilities and the Gemini era. So for its capabilities, you can say generally you can compare Gemini with GPT-4. Here you can see MMLU is 90%, where for GPT-4 it's 86%, and you can say Gemini is now solving the math for college levels and university levels, but ChatGPT or GPT-4 is now solving the math of school levels. So now learn how to get the API key. You have to visit ai.google.dev and you're landing on this page. Here's the pricing. Now you can see input and output is free. You can get the free API key also. So you can send actually 60 queries per minute. It's a QPM, mean queries per minute. So with API key you can send only 60 queries. So I think it's enough. If you want to send more than this, for example, if you want to use this on large scale and selling the stuff based on the Google Gemini, then you have to consider this pay as you go plan. Okay, on the home page you can see here, click on the get API key in Google AI Studio. From there you can get the API key. So Google Gemini Ultra is not right available, and Gemini Nano is also not, but you can use the Gemini Pro right now. So also you can learn how to use its models with Python, Android, Node.js, Swift and Web. So you can easily understand how to select the model, Gemini Pro version, and how to give the prompt. For example, what is in this photo, and a comma, and send the photo. And what next? Also, it's right now available on the Android devices, especially on Pixel 8 Pro devices. It's the Google phones actually. So on other devices, Google Nano will be available very soon. So it's the light and quick overview of the Gemini. So tap the like button and subscribe the channel if you want more videos like this. Thank you.